Good evening. I just thought I'd share this. I know a lot of folks out there make these Altoid kits, and I just thought I'd give it a shot. I made an Altoids slingshot hunting kit, but my goodies inside were just a little bit over, so the hinges popped off. So what I did was I'm holding them in place with just some bands that I cut from a bicycle inner tube. Give me a sec here, I'll take them off and show you what's inside. Carefully, of course. How hard to do this stuff one-handed. Here is the kit. I just challenged myself to see what I could put together. This is supposed to be a normal size slingshot frame. It fits really snug inside the Altoids tin. Okay. There it is. A little bit smaller than the legendary pickle fork shooter. It's just a traditional resortera. It's a tied down method. Has the insulators. These bands are not the standard that I normally use. These are postal red rubber bands. These are number 31. They're a little bit smaller, a little shorter than what I normally use. So I did go 3, 3, 3, but what I did here, because these are sensitive, when I tie them, they tend to break when they're tied. So what I did was I looped some through there, and then I tied them on before I tied them to the fork. Just using, they're 3/8 steel balls, but I'm thinking probably I might try 3/0 buckshot instead. But so far I did test it, and shoots pretty good. I shot it at about 5 yards at a pop can with the 3/8 steel, and it punched clean through both sides. Should have sufficient force to take down some birds. I created it as a miniature hunting slingshot. It should do the job. I will share any hunting reports, of course. I made the pouch a little smaller because I intended it to be for the largest ammo would be marbles, but I don't think marbles will fit snugly in here, so if I use marbles with it, they'll be separate from the Altoids tin. But the idea was to put together a kit that fits inside an Altoids tin. It's a little bit more than I need it to be because the hinge is one holding it. The next time I can probably just use a flat frame, and then it'll fit perfectly. It'll work, it'll do the job, and it fits inside the Altoids. I just have to use those bands to hold the package in place. This is something I tried out. Just thought I'd share it. Alright, thanks everyone.